Hi, my name is Sarah Garza. I'm a former educator and a current content manager with Teacher Created Materials, and I'm here today to do a little unboxing of our culturally authentic and responsive texts kits. These kits are designed to build literacy with culturally and linguistically responsive strategies through a collection of high interest, culturally authentic, and grade level appropriate literature and informational texts curated by Dr. Sharroky Hollie. So let's get into the kit and see what we've got. The first thing that you'll notice is a digital download card. This card allows you to access interactive ebooks of the TCM texts included in the kit, as well as all student reproducible pages as fillable PDFs, so that you're able to use this kit in a variety of classroom formats. You'll also be given Dr. Sharroky Hollie's professional development book, Culturally and Linguistically Responsive Teaching and Learning. And this book really digs deep into the theory and the pedagogy that is used in the remainder of this kit. It's a great way to kind of like brush up on culturally, linguistically, and responsive teaching and learning and kind of get yourself in the right mindset and to have the right background that you need to really delve deeply into the work that's done here. You also get a management guide. And the management guide includes additional strategies that you can use with students, as well as different tools you can use to make your own culturally and linguistically responsive toolbox. And you can use those tools to assess the texts in your classrooms for cultural authenticity. This management guide works very well in conjunction with the resources in this kit, and it can also be applied to the texts that are already in your classroom. The grade K through 5 kits come with 5 read aloud books. You receive 1 copy of each book and a lesson that goes with the book. And it also includes 5 nonfiction shared reading texts. And for the shared reading text, there are 6 copies of the reader, as well as a lesson plan to implement that book. In the grade 6 through 8 kits, they're divided into 4 thematic units: self-identity, rites of passage, community matters, and culminating unit. And those units were designed to meet the developmental needs of middle school students. So in the 6 through 8 kits, you'll have a teacher's guide per unit that has all of the lessons for that specific unit in one book, including the student pages. You will have 4 read aloud books, 1 for each unit, 1 copy of each book. And each unit comes with 3 text cards. The text cards are front and back, and they're great for those short middle school class periods, but the texts are engaging and relevant and rigorous and really ask students to dig into topics that matter to them and that are related to that thematic unit. The culturally authentic texts and discussion protocols that are provided in this kit validate and affirm students' identities and build and bridge them towards success in academia and beyond. To learn more about how to get your own culturally authentic and responsive texts kit, please visit our website at tcmpub.com.